Guys, how to draw a horizontal line in MS Word. So very simple and easy way to draw a line in MS Word. There are some way, just press dash sometimes and press enter. So this is the first way. Another way you can draw by shape. So insert and shape. Select the line, press and hold shift and draw the line. Here you can change with weight, color and so many things you can apply. Like this. Thanks for watching. Guys, how to insert angle using the shortcut. So shortcut is slash